General Francis Ogolla ta mundu urerutanagiria na gukinyaniria wagiriru wera-ini wake na ninge gwetha rucio rwega rwa bururi wa Kenya. President urio thiete na mbere na gucakaya na family ya Ogolla augite ndari wa murani ekite ta uria umukenetie ta kwamura Ogolla gutuika munene wa mbiraru guku bururi-ini tondu ni undu wa ucamba wake horo ndumwe na urutai wake wa wira utari na muhano wa mundu o wothe. Harun Njoroge wa Maina no ratwambiriria na ripoti ino.
Mathaa-ini ma miaraho muthenya wa Jumaa, muthenya umwe tu thutha wa mutino wa ndege uria uroire mioyo ya maabitha 10 a mbiraru hamwe na munene wa mbiraru bururi-ini General Francis Ogolla, President William Ruto ni atongoretie mbutu ya ngathi ya iguru thirikari-ini na kwa mbiraru gucakaya Ogolla anyitanire na family yake gwake mucii Riverside, Nairobi.
Will resolve issues.
President augite muthenya wa Jumaine Ogolla ni amumenyithirie wira uria wothe afangiire kiumia giki atanyite kuinikiriria na igongona ria kanitha kwao mucii Siaya muthenya wa kiumia.
And also because his father was 100 years and they wanted to celebrate his life. And of course the bad news came.
And the General is in a good place. I got to see him both yesterday and today, as you've heard, when I was going to try get his belongings. Those of you who know General and his sister Paris, they had a very cheeky smile on their face when they're doing something cheeky. I can tell you General is resting right now with a cheeky smirk on his face. So, nyinyi msivurute sura sana. Na yeye even in death anashanga hii watu, what is the issue?
President akiuga hari wa murani uria wothe atafanitie kuma aigira ofici gutire umukenetie ta kwamura Ogolla
because he deserved the appointment. And he was a professional. He was a leader.
Time that I came to know General Ogolla when we came into government. He was a very amiable man, a committed general, a patriotic man who loved his country.
All of us here had a very personal relationship with our good friend and late General Ogolla.
Mutongoria wa bururi augite Ogolla arekirire gutungata ari muhari-ini wa mbere na gutuika muhano kuri maabitha angi a mbiraru agikirira kio guthondeka